Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz. It's that time again to participate in the Fall Clean Closet Challenge 2018. And I am participating, and this is being hosted by Heidi Jessica and Casa Magnolia. And I will have their channels linked down in my description box along with the playlist so that you guys can click on their channels and view everybody's videos. So what we are to do is to pretty much clean out something that's really needing to be cleaned out, like a closet. You have shelves that you need cleaning, organizing, that sort of thing. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to be cleaning out, just keep watching. Hey guys, as you can see, this is a hot mess, right? You are looking at my hallway area where we have all this stuff here, and it does not belong to me. It does belong to someone in this household, but we won't say any names. But anywho, I am going to organize it. I'm going to be taking everything off and giving it a nice fresh look so that it will look nice and neat. If you're interested in seeing how it's going to look and how I'm going to organize this, just keep on watching. As you can see, there's tons and tons of clothing everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is not making me happy. I am not used to seeing clutter. I mean, this really needs to be cleaned out really well. So, as you can see, I'm working on it. Wish me luck, guys. If you can guess who this belongs to, all this stuff, leave me a comment down below. Alright guys, this is how this area turned out. Ooh, I think it looks much, much better than before. And I think you would think so too. You can see I have a wall decoration back on the back wall there. I just have it leaning up against it. It's actually too big to kind of hang, so I just leaned it up against the wall. Then down I have like this, I don't know what you call this, but I'm just going to call it just an item that you can put these little balls in. A decorative type of piece there. I think that's really, really cute. There's 4 of those. And the color of it is red. And of course the inside is white. So I just put that there. Then on either side of that is my candlestick holders. These beautiful bling silver candle holders. And I put some greenery in there to balance off all the silver that you see. This one is the taller one right there. And then that's the shorter one. Then in front I have this big pumpkin that says give thanks, with 2 little cute pumpkins on the side. And then all of this is sitting on this nice throw rug that you see. I think it turned out really pretty. And I have a candle there. This candle came from Dollar Tree that says leaves falling autumn. And then here's one that says grateful. And this one here, I can't read what it says, but these are Dollar Tree. These 2 here, that one and that one, Dollar Tree candles. And I just love the packaging with the leaves on it. It's just so, so pretty. So I thought I'd pick them up. And they smell pretty nice. And then here are my 2 black lanterns that I have sitting there. And that's it. This is how I organized and cleaned out this area from the way it was before. All that junk. So I hope you guys like this. I think it turned out really cute. And I'm happy with the way it looks. I want to thank Heidi Jessica and Casa Magnolia for hosting this challenge. This was nice and fun, and it actually helps to find areas in your home that you can organize and clean out, because we tend to accumulate so many things throughout the months and the years, and it's just nice to go through and kind of clean out and organize things. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Welcome. I'd love to have you. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much as well for tuning back in. And I will see you all later in my next video. Bye.